Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a paper home. This will be an easy origami tutorial, so let's get right into the video. When you are finished, your paper home will look like this. Let's get right into it. You're going to want to start off with a square sheet of paper just like this. Now, as you can see, mine has a crease in the middle just because I had to actually cut it from a rectangular sheet of paper, but you don't need this crease. So you just want to start off with a square sheet of paper. Now, what you want to do is take the square sheet of paper, you want to fold it in half. So try and get as even of a fold as possible, because that's really going to allow you to make it look great at the end. You know, even lines are going to make the paper home look symmetrical. So essentially you want to fold it in half. Like I said, try and make it as even as possible. Give it a nice crease. Then you want to unfold it. Now at this point you want to fold the bottom edge towards the center, towards that line that we just created right there. Okay, make sure it's nice and straight. Give it a nice solid crease, just like that. And then you want to flip it around and fold the other edge towards the center, just like that. So you rotate it at 180 degrees, and we're just folding the bottom edge now to the center, just like that, okay? Now essentially, what you want to do at this point is you want to flip it over. So we have the flaps right here. Now the flaps are going to go on the bottom, okay? Flatten it out nicely. Now what we want to do is fold it in half. Okay, make sure that it's wide so that the line here is going horizontally. Fold it in half. Okay, once again, you're folding it so that now you can see the flaps. Okay, we're going to fold it in half just like that. And we can see the flaps right here. Give it a nice solid crease and then unfold it. So now we don't see the flaps. This is a smooth piece of paper. Now what we're going to do is fold the left edge to the center line that we just created. Okay, so we're folding the left edge to the center line just like that. Give it a really solid crease. This is probably really important, this part, to crease it nicely. We're almost done. We're going to fold the right edge to the center just like that. Okay, right edge goes to the center as well, just like that. Once again, give it a really solid crease. Okay, now we're left with are these flaps right here. Now pay attention, we're almost done. Very simple. We're going to take the right flap. Okay, you're going to sort of open it up like that, the top right flap. We're going to open it up. What you want to do is pull this out to the side and down. Okay, and you're going to make sort of like a triangle right here. Give it a nice solid crease. Okay, do the same thing with the other side. The top left flap, we're going to sort of pull it out, pop it open. Okay, pull it out and down, just like that. Give it a nice solid crease when you, let's try and just pop it open enough. Give it a nice solid crease when you create the triangle. Just like that. Now what you want to do is flip it over and you have your paper house, your paper home. Very simple. At this point, what you can do is you can maybe draw a door and some windows if you even want, but I'm just going to draw a simple door to keep it nice and short and sweet. And you have your paper home. You can add in windows, you can add in shingles, whatever you want. That's it. Simple, easy tutorial on how to make a paper home. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.